Welcome to my lecture on how to use a protractor. Okay, so the step one would be place the center point onto the vertex. In other words, the vertex of the line of the ray that you've got using the formation of the angle. So let's put an angle in here quickly. Here's your protractor and let's make an angle. Let's just do a 50-degree angle for now. So I'm going to show you now how to use it. So the vertex, this is where you would put the center point of the protractor. That is the center point of your protractor. And you're going to line this ray up very neatly with the line that is displayed on your protractor. And then, let's go look at the next step. Make sure one ray of the angle passes through the 0 on the protractor scale. So that's what we've just done there. That was this piece here, the 0 on the protractor scale. Let me just remove these lines. So this ray over here is passing through the 0 on the protractor scale. Okay, nice and accurately you line it up. Let's look at the next step. Then you read the angle measurement where the second ray intersects on the scale. Okay, so let's go read it. This is our second ray over here. And let's read where it's gone through. It's gone through 50. Okay, so we can say this angle here is 50 degrees. Okay, let's do one or two more quickly just to give you an idea without following those steps step by step because we now know them. Let's make another angle that we're going to measure. Let's just make one. Let me say it is going to go like that. Right, so we can see it's gone through the 0 of the protractor. We go put it on there. We line this line up very neatly here. And then we can go read. This line is going through 110. So this is a 110-degree angle. Okay. Now let's look at it from the other side. What you've done here basically is you're reading, because you've got your ray lined up in this direction on the protractor, you're reading the inside line. And you came to 110 over there. Okay? But what happens when our ray is lying on that side? Let's go do one on that side quickly. Let's remove these rays here and put one on that side. So we go from the 0 neatly all the way through. Okay? And let's go make ourselves an angle. Let's say it's very difficult because I'm drawing on a computer here, but I'm trying to be as accurate as possible. Okay, so now we're going to read from, you're still going to put it on the 0 of the protractor, and you're still going to line up your ray nicely with the line of the protractor. Now we're going to read from the outside rings. You can see 10, 20, 30, all the way up, and we came to an 80-degree angle here, 80 degrees. Okay, so you see what you've learned here basically is that you can read when your line or your rays on that side, you're using this outer measurement to read, and when your rays on this side, you're using this inner measurement to read. Okay, so that is how we use protractors. I hope that you enjoyed this and managed to understand it a bit better.